Hi guys, so today I'm going to show you how to set up a paper in MLA format using Microsoft Word. If you're in college or even high school, chances are you've probably had a teacher say make sure it's MLA style, and if you're like me at first you probably panicked a little. Don't worry though, it's honestly not that bad once you know the steps. It just takes somebody else showing you to really understand it. So just to start, you're going to want to open up a new blank document in Word. We're starting fresh, so nothing fancy is needed. Next, you're going to want to go to the Home tab and pick your font. MLA is super picky about this. It has to be Times New Roman, size 12 point. So don't get creative with it. Even though I know Arial or any other font might look nicer, or you might prefer another font, MLA wants Times New Roman, so yeah, it's boring, but that is the rule. Now, let's set the space in. So highlight your text, and then if you look at what I'm doing in the video, click on the little lines that you see, and then select 2.0 to get the double space in. Make sure it's the right one, because sometimes Word can be weird about it, but normally if you do this, it should be alright. Now for margins, go on your layout tab, click on margins, set them to 1 inch all around. Mine says 2.54 centimeters, but that's the same as an inch. Luckily Word's default is usually an inch, but just always double check just in case, just to be on the safe side. Now for the header, which is one of the things people usually forget, double click at the very top of the page, then go to insert page number, top right. So just follow what I'm doing again, obviously. Before the number, type your last name. So mine would say Stokes1. And then once you've done that, just close the header by double clicking anywhere else on the page, and it's that easy. Next is your heading. So on the very first page of whatever you're writing, aligned left, type out 4 lines, all still double spaced. So type your full name, your professor's name, the course name or number, and then the date. And MLA is weird about this, so you write it as day, month, year, for example 15th of September 2025, because that's the day I'm doing this on. No commas, nothing, just leave it like that. Moving on to the title. After you've done your heading, hit enter once, center it, and then type your title in. So don't bold it, don't underline it, don't put it in quotes, just regular font, I don't know, the effects of social media on study habits. Super plain, that's it. So after that, you're going to want to hit enter again, move back to your left alignment for your first paragraph, and then start typing your essay. What you want to do is though, you want to make sure as you start, you select any text you have, right click, and then click on paragraph. And then here where it says indentation, go to special and change it to first line, because you want that first line to be slightly further to the right than all your other text. And then you'll notice as you keep typing, it just automatically starts doing it for you as you move on, and it regulates the whole thing for you. And then last but not least, don't forget your Works Cited page. So when you're done with the essay, insert a page break so it starts on a fresh page. Center the words Works Cited and then list your sources. Each entry has to have a hanging indent, so go to paragraph indentation hanging, and that makes every line after the first one scoot in, which is exactly how MLA wants it. So that's honestly it. MLA format seems scary, but once you've done it once or twice, it's like muscle memory. A few quick tips: always double check your spacing, make sure your header's on every page, and save your file often, because Word loves to crash at the worst times. Also, there is a specific format you need to use for your Works Cited sources, but I think that would have to be an entirely different video on its own. So yeah, now you've got the basics down, next time your teacher says MLA format, you won't have to stress. You'll just set up your document like this, and then you're done. Thanks for watching.